Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect your Canon SELPHY CP1500 to your computer. So basically it's extremely simple to do this. If you want to be connected wirelessly, what you can do is to basically have them both connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. So now that they are both connected on the same Wi-Fi, head over to the drivers, printers and scanners for your computer, which is going to be this one. And then once inside, click add device, and you will be able to look and find your Canon SELPHY inside right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and connect it wired, what you can do is to just use the USB connection right here on the printer. So it's going to be, I believe, USB-A, but of course you could search this specific USB type of connection. So just plug it onto the printer, plug the other end onto your computer, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.